Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back at it again with another video, and today's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. My name is Rhea, and I'm turning 23. It's my joy of me. It's my birthday. Anyway, guys, today's my birthday. I'm very thankful for life. I'm celebrating my birthday today, so I have to be really quick. I'm about to do my makeup with you guys. I actually shaped my eyebrows. I didn't even draw them, I just shaped them. I got braided or whatever, and you see the edges are laid. Jordan here, what's up? What's good? Anyway, yeah, let's get ready. I have to prime my face. This is the primer that I use. This is not really a tutorial though, but yeah, I'll just be showing you guys some of the products that I use. And yeah, it's a good day. This is my favorite season. I'm so thankful that spring comes in with my birthday month and whatever, and you guys see the glow coming through. I just love September so much, and this month is my favorite, obviously because of my birthday and the season also. I love spring so much because I really don't like the cold. I don't like winter. I can't cope. I can't function in winter, but in spring I'm just happy and stuff. Is my lighting fine? Let me just fix my lighting for you guys. Foundation is finished, and this is the color I prefer. I don't know if this one matches. I'm just gonna use this one because over here. If your birthday was on the 12th or your birthday is this month, happy birthday. September people are beautiful. I'm not saying anything about the other months, but September people are very pretty. And you guys, I don't want to argue with anyone.
Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Oh, I just like how it is outside right now. Fresh air. The weather's good. The weather is in my favor. It seems like this September it's not gonna rain at all though. I don't know what's wrong, but we need some of that rain. This is the concealer that I use. I don't really want a highly highlighted eye. Otherwise I was gonna use my other concealer. I was gonna use this one because it's way lighter than this one. That makes sense. Let me just move into the shade real quick. Ooh. It's my birthday. It's my yeah, I think this side is so much better because I feel like the sun is hating on me today. Like I'm trying to talk to y'all and the sun's just like, you don't want me to. Where's that setting powder? Okay. Today I'm using this darker one. I'm using this dark one because I don't really want a highlighted face. I just want to set my face. And guys, I don't think people should bake anymore, hey? Like, don't bake your face anymore. Just press in the powder. Just press in the powder and don't bake anymore. Because baking just literally makes you... Just press in like this. This thing of leaving powder on your face for a long time, like too much powder, it ends up affecting your skin and makes your under eyes very dry. You're gonna end up looking old. So don't bake anymore, just press in the powder. This is the truth. Mr. Price fought here. Like, this is the truth. This is the truth. I can't even say anything. This palette right here is they snapped, but it doesn't have a mirror, so I'm gonna have to hold a mirror because for this lighting I really don't trust the lighting on my phone right now. I'm just gonna go ahead with the contour powder from Mr. Price, the Scarlet Hill. I'm telling you guys, it's the truth and nothing but the truth. Even the highlight is nice, like it's very cute. I love this step so much because it brings out the shape of the contour really nicely. I keep on forgetting that I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry. I see that highlight? You see that highlight though? You guys, this is the final look. And this is my outfit. Why would you buy Yeezy if you can get these at messed up price? You wanna know where we at? You wanna know where we at? We outside.
Oh, you wanna know where I'm at? We outside!
Why were you waiting so thin? This doesn't come up. You need to go watch. This is my meal. Whenever I come to Nando's, this is the meal that I like. I like the bougie bowl, but I've never had this one before because it's like it's a new one. It has avocado. It's my turn.
Let's get it, let's get it. Yeah. I bitch. Six. If you beat those ones, then yeah. Damn.
So hey you guys, I got way too busy to do my to continue doing the vlogs. I'm just here to close it out. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching my first vlog. And yeah, I'm about to go home. Bye.